Hello, myself Vaishnavi. I have done my BA LLB from Nagpur University, and now I'm pursuing my master's, that is LLM, from with a specialization of environmental law from Nagpur University itself. And I have worked with two advocates as an intern, and I have handled their paperwork, and I have attended court proceedings for them. I always wanted to be a media student, but law happened, and I always wanted something that would give me something that would have a practical approach with media and law. So one day I was searching for my some certificate courses for media and law, and law, and I subscribed for Law Seco's newsletter, which Ramanuj sir sends email for the updates and various articles which he shares with the subscribers. So at that time, the admission for media laws was closed. So I had subscribed for the updates when it will start and everything. Then I got one. Then one day I got an email from Ramanuj sir for joining the for that the admissions for media and intellectual property and media entertainment laws have been opened, and he had given a proper explanation for it, that why you have to choose media law, what are the things that you will get to learn in Law Seco's diploma. First, they even he had told that it has two options. One is executive course, executive certificate course, and the second is diploma. So I contacted Nikita ma'am for that. I asked her what I should opt, and she suggested me that I should choose diploma for a elaborative study, because media was my passion before law. So I opted for the diploma in intellectual property and entertainment and media laws. So this was my background, as because I used to work for almost 12 hours. I used to leave my home from 9, and I used to return at night on at 9:30, and I used to get really exhausted, and it was a really traumatic experience that I was paid just peanuts for the 12 hours of work, and I didn't even got any practical knowledge of it. I was just a I was just a law graduate, and also a law student, which was just a clerk for them to staple their papers and bring them teas, and going around their going around there with their files, give giving them just a support, administrative support, which they needed, and there was no growth for me. So I wanted something that will make me pursue my uh, media passion too, and also what I have learned in law, that that 5 years of study I have did. So I wanted something that will both combinedly give me. So Law Seco happened, and I joined it. Actually, I belong to a middle class family where money is very much important. They always think that if we are investing money, there should be something authenticated always. So they were totally in support to give me the money, but they were in a doubtful situation that if we are investing money online, then what is the authenticity that we are investing it? Then they will take proper classes, they will give you assignments, and everything they have promised in their website, and everything they had given promises of. So I was in a position to tell them that because I had researched about Ramanuj sir, their startup, from where he began, like IP leaders, and I showed them everything. But they were like short background about my life, that my mom is a police inspector, so she was well aware about cyber crimes and everything, that everybody is due from every normal person is due online by taking money, by making false promises. So she was like, we are investing a lot of money, uh, like 30,000 we are investing in an online course for you. Then there should be something that will give us a something that we will trust, that we have some safe side. So the very first day when it was my first class of online class of Law Seco with Ritisha Mukherjee ma'am, I had joined through the Zoom meeting ID, where I showed my mom that this is how they conduct their classes. This is how elaborative their classes are. The whole 1 hour she was with me. She was watching everything with me, and then she thought we have invested in a good place. After that, when she saw that assignments are getting feedback, I used to send her it through WhatsApp and everything. So she got to know that yes, this, like, the cons she knew, that totally get dispersed, and eventually with me the same was with me, that I was doubtful, because there I had such incident with me, that I had enrolled for a certificate course for environmental law. I would not like to take the portal's name, but I had paid 9,000 rupees, but after calling so many of times, they didn't replied me. I did everything to get that money back, but eventually, I don't know how, but with God's grace, I got the money back. But it was really a bad experience for me, that the very first time I tried something for myself, and it got it got a bad experience with online learning and all. But when I joined Law Seco, I got to see everything, that everything is at proper place. They have a proper infrastructure with a where everyone is giving their giving their time. They have their classes, they have their assignment. Even Ramanuj sir has sent a subscription mail, where a guy who had master essays of Law Seco, I don't remember his name, I guess his name is Akash, and he had shared his experience about Law Seco's. He had मतलब उन्होंने पूरा ऑफिस घूमा था कि देखने के लिए कि इनकी ऑथेंटिसिटी क्या है. I am giving my 1 lakh of rupees for the master essays. So he was convinced that really I can give my money for the master essays for the LMS they are providing. That too helped me for confirming my the thing that I have that I had my opinion with Law Seco. And on the and I would like to comment on the class, the how I improved myself. I was really if I am talking now in front of a camera with so much of confidence, that it is because of Law Seco. Because I used to stammer a lot. I had a stage fear. I had so many of things that I developed with Law Seco in 3 months. Like I used to see Ritisha ma'am, how confidently she convinces every person. I used to watch Ruchika ma'am, how she used to convince every person for for the doubts they had about articles, about the classes they conducted both. Uh, so I saw that if if they can convince everybody, then if I am studying, I am investing my money in this certain class, I have to learn these interpersonal skills to convince my clients, through which when I am drafting my various uh, to if I am drafting my various agreements, I am making the precision to convince them that if anything is going against them, then we have this provision. I have drafted this provision for you, so you don't have to worry about it. So everything that goes on, like not only the knowledge they are giving about media laws or intellectual property, IP rights, whatever they are teaching us, that thing is making me more and more to give my um, to break my shackles that or to break my barriers that I had created around myself, that everything I am improvising myself gradually. I had learned many things that, like what I had learned till now, the theoretical things that I'm not able to apply, but there are many things other than the theoretical things that I am that are making me improve other than that. But the assignment I had submitted, 5 software patents we have to submit. So I was the girl. I never submitted my assignments in my law school. Like our college was like it was the teachers were like, if you want to submit, it's okay. Like I was a backbencher, I can say. So I never did that. But I was when the assignment came on the assignment portal, 5 software patents cases. I researched a lot. I made everything. Like I pushed all my boundaries that I didn't till the date I joined LawSikho. I did everything. I made sure that if I am pursuing my passion, like my media was my passion. So if I am dedicating something, that I have to do it at a pace that I will never have to regret about it. Till now I didn't face any difficulty. एक बार बस मुझे कुछ डाउट था, एक क्वेश्चन लाइव रिकॉर्डिंग मैंने बाद में देखी थी रितिशा मैम की, तो आई हैड वन डाउट अबाउट a question. Then I approached her. She cleared my doubt. और रितिशा मैम अगर अवेलेबल नहीं है तो मैं रुचिका मैम से कांटेक्ट करती हूँ. Yes, ma'am, instantly. Obviously, I'm improving day by day, and after the course or in between, if as you asked, if the theoretical things that I am learning, and I know that will not go into vain, I will definitely use that. But for now, I'm not working at a professional front, so I'm not able to answer you for that. The skills which I am developing through this online course, the first is the interpersonal skills, the confidence I have developed, the camera fear, the stage fear, everything is getting dispersed eventually. I'm being as much as productive I can be. I'm investing my time, my energy, which I always wanted to give into a good thing in my passion, that was media, and I'm pursuing it. I'm happy being that even after, I don't have that regret that I lost the that I lost my approach with media, but I got it back with this course through and my my education of LLB didn't get wasted. I just got the best combo of media and law through this diploma, which I can use in which I can use my skills of uh, uh, getting through the media houses, and I can whenever I will be into my professional front, I will use all the things I have gained in this diploma, the drafting skills, the interpersonal skills, and everything that I'm learning gradually through this. Yes, every person who is media passionate, just like me, the persons who are attracted to glamour world, but that really want to work with that persons, that celebrities who you only dreamt of, and also the persons who are passionate about intellectual property, they always wanted to do the career in this booming field of law, like intellectual property, media laws, everything. And the people who want to learn more, a lot in minimum time. Also, the persons who always want uh, who always want learning curiosity, and also want to have that practical approach for the career.